Hello, welcome to the vlog. I've spent money on the Ami. I've really pushed the boat out this time. I've got the button. I've got the orange button. I've managed to get it from a chap on eBay who does lots of stuff for the Ami. I just assume he buys it cheap and manages to sell it at a bit of reduced costs. So let's go out to the car, get it stuck on and get it matched. I've been promising myself one of these for ages. Okay, right, I have already cut the bag. Let's just get this out of here. Stand by. Okay, little orange button, which I'm going to secure now to the dashboard, to the steering wheel. I've already downloaded the app, which is the My Citroen app. So here we go. Wait for that to load up. Don't know if you can see that. And that's the My Citroen app already downloaded. Let's get this turned on and stuck on and go from there. Right, I've secured the button to the steering wheel. It's got a little sticky pad on the back, and you literally just stick it. I've put it so it's within sort of distance for me to touch it as we go along. It says instructions on the back there. I have done that, but the page it's going to is no longer there, so I don't know if that's just an old link, but it's not doing anything. But anyway, let's just open up my Citroen and see what we've got. So we are, well, we're not connected to that. We should be connected to that. Yes, 23 miles, 38 kilometers. I wish you could change that, but you can't. Okay, touch that one, and yep, connect the Citroen switch from My Ami Play. Turn on your Bluetooth. It's on. Click the Citroen switch for at least 10 seconds to launch the pairing. So 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 5, again, 10 seconds. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as you can hear, my Apple Watch has just asked for a timer, which I didn't want. So it's not connecting, but it's flashing. So let's do a bit of, it's flashing 3 or 4 times. Let's do a bit of Googling and find out what the problem is. Okay, right, I've Googled what the problem is. That is flashing several times when you let it go. That means that the battery in the actual button is flat. The chap that I got this from has a lot of OEM Ami stuff, which means it's all legitimate Citroen stuff. But I'm guessing this one's been in stock for a little while. So it says to take the button off, you twist it anti-clockwise. So let's do that, which it's done, and it's also moved that, and it looks like a CR2032 3-volt lithium battery. So my plan is to replace that and then try again. Right, attempt number 2. I've changed the battery in that, so I'm now going to go back to the My Citroen switch and then push that. Now I'm going to hold this for 10 seconds. There we go. We've got 4 ticks. Continue. Let's get started. Select the application you want to have in your dashboard. Yes, we want that. We definitely want Audible. We definitely want Google Maps. And that's about it. Library, phone, radio, Audible, Google Maps. Yep, seems good. Confirm that. Select your favourite radio stations. Well, I can't see any, so we'll do that. We'll just click confirm on that one, because yes, it wants access to my contacts. Share all of them. Select up to 5. Oh, this is difficult. Right. So let me just select 5, then come back to you. Otherwise, we're going to be here all day. Okay, I've selected all of my contacts. Let's go start. It would like full access. Yeah, let's do that. And then it's telling me. Right. Let's see if it works. Press the Citroen switch to go back to my home page. Okay. Swipe up or down with 2 fingers on the radio or library screen to set the volume. Close. So we're just waiting for it to do its thing. It's obviously not. Let's go to library, shall we? Yeah. Nope. This is what I want. Audible. Excellent. So I'm just wondering how do we actually use this, because all this is doing at the moment is press the Citroen switch to go back to Ami Play homepage. Okay, but I've still got to touch the phone to actually get it to do what I want. Does that make sense? And I thought the idea of the switch was to just so you didn't have to touch it. I'm going to click no. I'm just wondering basically what the switch is for. I mean, am I doing something wrong? Is this all it does? Just brings you back to the home page? Well, what am I doing? Customize radio. Select up to 24 stations. So it is connected to the car as well, because I've already connected the car to it. So well, that's 3 minutes of waffling. Let me select some radio stations and I'll come back to you. Yep, I've discovered, as far as I can work out, just by pushing the button, it returns that to the home screen. So it what it basically does is while you're driving along, you can return to the home screen. But if you want anything other than radio or phone, it just sends you notification that it wants to change back. And we'll give this a real life trial, probably while we're actually out on the next video. But that was really simple to install, apart from the battery issue. All done and sorted and working. So anyway, that's the Citroen switch. That's the app, which it connected really easy once the battery was changed. So very happy. Right, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already, please subscribe, and please ring the bell for notifications, because that way you'll get to hear when we put out our next videos. Leave us a comment, tell us if you found this useful, tell us if you've got the Ami Citroen Switch, and if I'm doing it wrong, what am I doing wrong? What do I need to do? Is there, because I can't get the instructions, as I said to you, the link on the back of here doesn't actually work, so I don't actually know. I'm kind of guessing. I am kind of guessing, which probably isn't helpful. Right, back in the next one. Bye for now.